Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to see news in TradingView. Imagine being able to view all the crucial headlines for your selected stocks right within your chart. This can significantly boost your understanding of market trends and the influence of news. So let's dive into how you can seamlessly integrate news updates into your trading charts. Getting started with news integration. First things first, open the chart for the specific stock you're interested in. For example, if you're tracking Apple stock, you'll want to pull up the chart for AAPL on your trading platform. It's important to be sure you're looking at the right symbol, since the news will be linked to that particular chart. This ensures that you get insights that are tailored to your analysis needs. Accessing the news icon. Next, shift your attention to the right-hand toolbar of your trading platform. There, you'll find various tools designed to enhance your trading experience. Look for the news icon, which might resemble a small page or document symbol. Once you spot this icon, click on it. This will instantly bring up the latest headlines relevant to the stock symbol you've chosen. The beauty of this feature is that it keeps you updated on any developments or breaking news that might affect the stock's performance, without ever leaving your current chart view. Integrating news into your chart. To take your analysis a step further, you can have news directly integrated into your chart as events. Here's how. Right-click on the chart area to bring up a context menu. From this menu, go to the Settings option. This is where you can customize how the chart looks and behaves to suit your preferences and trading style. In the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Events. Click on this to explore more specific configurations related to visible events on your chart. Within this section, you'll find an option named Latest News. By enabling this feature, news events will be visually marked on your chart. This gives you a chronological context of headlines in relation to historical and current price movements, allowing you to analyze how specific news items might correlate with stock price changes. By following these steps, you integrate essential news updates directly with your trading analysis. It's like having a built-in feature that keeps you in tune with the market's pulse, potentially giving you an edge when making investment decisions. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to see news in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, PMN Online.